In this webcast, I'm going to try and explain to you how to create and explain a video just using the web versions of the Microsoft toolset that potentially you're given free at your university or school. Now, often at school, as part of our assignments, we are set tasks to create a video. Maybe we have to do a presentation on a particular subject in 3, 4 or 5 minutes. Now, what follows is an approach that anyone can use using, in this case, a Office 365 account. The solution I'm about to show you is designed for people who only have access to a Chromebook or an iPad and have been set an assignment to create a video like this. It uses the Microsoft Office toolsets, but the ones that are based in the cloud. Frankly, anyone can follow these instructions because even those using a web browser on a PC or a Mac can follow them as well. On screen now you should see a home screen for the Microsoft Office. Hopefully it's something that you'll recognise. Now, my advice to you when you're doing a recording session is to open up multiple tabs with all of the assets that you're about to record on. So in my case, I have loaded a copy of the PowerPoint that I'm going to demonstrate as the recording that you're going to do. And it's called Ricardo's Story. Here you can see it on screen and it's just about ready to start recording. Now, removing back to the home screen again, the next thing I would like you to click on is this app here, which is called Microsoft Stream. When you click on this, you're going to eventually see a screen that looks something like this. Now, what I need you to do to create a video is move to this area of the screen here where I'm moving the mouse and click this drop down, and the option you're going to select is record screen. Now, after a moment or two you'll have a screen that appears that's something like this. And it's suggesting that it's going to be able to put a webcam image of yourself in the bottom right hand corner. If that hasn't selected, you might find that these two icons here have got like a line through them. If they've got a line through them, you're going to need to spend some time configuring your webcam and microphone to work. To start your recording, all you need to do is click this red button in the middle. Straight away you're going to see an image of me appearing on the screen. Now, my advice to you is that you're going to record the entire screen, and in this case I'm going to select my screen 1 and then I'm going to click share. Now you can see the countdown is starting, and now Microsoft is recording the contents of you, in my case me, talking to camera, and what we're now going to do is to start the presentation. So I'll bring up the presentation and then present in the normal way, so click slideshow and then present from the beginning. And now you should be able to speak about your particular presentation, advancing where necessary between the different slides, and when the screen has finished, or when your presentation is finished, simply press the escape button. Return back to the Microsoft Stream and press the next. Now, one of the beauties of doing this is that your recording is naturally saved to the cloud. So if you click on this button here, if you decided that the video that you've done is okay, you simply click the upload stream give it a file name, Ricardo's story, and as you can see, it's naturally uploading the file for you. When this is finished, all you're going to do is click the publish button. Now there'll be further options to do to share that with your course tutor, but I'll do a separate video for that.